This is Jason Kardos from Mount Helix Lifestyles. I'm a real estate broker in San Diego County, and I have a listing now in Julian, California, and just had a person interested in it, and she just called and asked, how do I know it's zoned for horses? So I get this question a lot, and I thought I'd do a quick video, regardless of what I or anyone tells you, how if you're looking for a property or just want to know zoning in general, how you would look that up. So here's a beautiful horse property, as you can see. But the first thing, I would do, there's the San Diego County Planning and Development Services website. It's like it's san-diego-county.gov. And the one you're concerned with, now there's City of San Diego and the County of San Diego. So in this case, Julian is an unincorporated town in the County of San Diego. So I'm going to go for the county zoning ordinance. And you can see here, well, that's their page, so you can go there. However, the zoning ordinance summary, I have it over here, I'll bring. This is what you want. So here's the form. Looks like it's 10 pages. And this has more information than you probably need or want to know. But you see there's basic zoning. So I use this, I'll print this out and use it as a cheat sheet. But here we can write all the information. The assessor's parcel number. If you know the address, that's great. A lot of times on rural property, if it's unimproved land only, there may not be an address. So the assessor's parcel number is kind of like the social security number of properties. So that's usually the best to have, but if not, you can use addresses. And you see here it's got overlays of different villages and boundaries. But what people want to know, here's the zoning box. You locate the property, you put down the zoning criteria in the box, and this will show you density, lot size, building type, this information. But right here, animal regulations, that's what we're interested in this particular video. Okay, here's an example of it filled out just to give you. So here's a Q animal regulation. So this particular person wants to know for animals. So, and she did ask, it was zoned R1. Unfortunately, these are all the different zoning, and nothing is quite that simple. There's things with exceptions, or if it's near the water, may have a coastal zoning overlay. But these are the basic zonings uses of properties. But then when you go with the specific one, you see there's this grid, and here's horses. So let me jump over now to how you would find that. So the form I just showed you, you would find here, san-diego-county.gov, and then go under zoning ordinance and download the zoning ordinance summary. It can come up as a PDF. Before I made this video, I tried to call them real quick, and they were already closed. So you can always call, but their hours are not the greatest, and you're on hold. So once you know how to look up on the internet, it can be a lot quicker and faster. So here's the site we're going to. This one, san-diego-county.maps, arcgis.com. And then right here, County of San Diego, zoning and property. Quick side note, I have clients ask about where can they shoot, and I never realized this, but you can see here, here's a thing about code relating to firearms. So that's interesting. Maybe I'll do a video on that next. Actually, in county maintained roads, this particular property has a dirt road, and they were wondering if the county maintained it or not. So this is another video or database, which I haven't even looked at yet for this property. But to keep on task with horse property zoning, I'll click on here, and you'll see it comes up here. Now I tried to put the assessor's parcel number, the APN number first, but it didn't quite work. I don't know if I put a comma or what, but I was happy that it took the address. So I'll put the address in here, and I see it come up here. I click that. So here's all the parcels, and A lot of these maps you can do aerial views and things of that nature. I know where the property is, but sometimes, like I said, when you're looking for land, it's a little hard. But here we are. So add to map notes. So this is the parcel. Here's the APN number, and that's what I want. I want these designations. So, well, we could go into the whole. I'm trying to bring this up for you. Where'd it go? The whole form here for different zoning. But what we want to know is the animal, which is a J. So we will look here, and we go over here. Here's the J designator, and we'll scroll down and see. So there's different types. So for animal sales and service, so for stable it is not permitted, but these uses are permitted. Let's see where I can show you the X. 10 horses, kennels. So she doesn't want to use this as a full-time boarding area, so this isn't applicable. So we're going to go down to animal raising, small animal, chinchillas. Here we go. So, okay, other than horse keeping, see. So we go here, horse keeping, other than animal sales, services, and horse stable. So that's what we want. And so with this particular property, we saw on the map over here that it had a J designator from the county map. And if we go here, we look at J, and boom, it has an X, so it's permitted. And a quick side note, if this wasn't permitted, it's not the end of the world. It's a little harder, but there are things called variances, and sometimes you can pay for special permits. But here you see it is permitted, so that's a great thing to show. And if we further go down to J, 2 horses plus 1 half acre. Uh, well, this one, and truthfully, I don't know. I'll have to research this a bit more, but animal raising bees, but you can continue down exotic birds, racing pigeons. So that an animal, okay, animal enclosure. So now here we go. It further gets into more. So that's it in a nutshell. Wanted to show you that. Again, this is the zoning ordinance summary, and here's all the information at the bottom. 5510 Overland Avenue. So if you wanted to go there, the website, phone numbers. But that is how you would look up a horse property. So I hope this video was informative, and if you have any questions or would like further research, just let me know and I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much. All right.